Around 75% of adults suffer from imposter syndrome. That's me. And statistically, that's probably you. Are you riddled with self-doubt? If you're not sure, you probably are. Or are you constantly chasing the approval of others, like a child chasing an ice cream bun? Well, stop. Let's fix all that. In this interactive workshop, you will learn how to silence your inner critic, believe in yourself, and measure your success without having to phone your mom. You will leave with simple practical tools that will help build you lasting self-esteem, whether it's for public speaking, your career, or parallel parking, people watching you. So join me and let's make your self-esteem unshakable.